Coming around the corner here, I could not help but notice these beautiful dahlias.
Yes, dahlias are still a very popular plant. It's in that beautiful flower form that we're all love and familiar with, but I have two in my hand that are quite different. These are an anemone type of dahlia. This is an annual dahlia, so these are not the type of dahlias, perennial dahlias that you'll unearth at the end of the season and save the tubers. These are really meant for their single season of blooming. But most of your dahlias that you might be familiar with either have a single petal or they have those beautiful double blooms. But this one is Venti series PinkBurst and Fireburst. And they have an anemone type center that allows them to kind of stay open with lots of little like firecracker centers with really soft pink or a really vibrant red in a single petal all the way around. And so when you have these two in the gardens, they really have a gorgeous green, leafy, medium green habit. I'm not going to get too overly large, but they are our tallest dahlia from our Selecta One breeding. But they'll even when they lose their petals on the side, you have this little kind of center starburst that is still really kind of fluffy and whimsical.
Yeah. And so need some deadheading to keep them tidy.
Absolutely. These are going to cause you a little bit more of a trouble in terms of maintenance, but that
but
really just encourages more blooms. And we are at the end of August right now, and you can see in our garden beds, they are still pushing up new blooms. They
really are.
Doing really well. And they will also do well in large size containers too. Just make sure that they have a lot of great hydration during the season, and maybe you want to fertilize them every 14 days or so, maybe twice a month.
Okay, great. Excellent.
But this is Venti and that anemone type of dahlia that's it's really going to make a statement in your garden.
Yeah. Or cut flower too, maybe.
Absolutely. I would love to put these in a bud vase inside.
They're very cute.
Yep. And you would see them from a distance too, because the yellow center really shoots off the color of the others.
Very pretty.